So today I'm going to show you how to make a catwalk with this character. First, as I told you, that you need to and the first command of programming you should keep a pen. And I'm supposed to put 10 steps to looks, which costume, this costumes to choose. I'm gonna put. Let's try this first. So this is costume 2. So again, we have to put human, then set, look, and then click switch costume. Not to costume 2, costume 1. Run it this is going to costume 1. Measure kind of fast. So let's complete this pattern first. Well, takes his costume and now as I told you it's looking like pretty fast. You're not understanding that for that you need to the controls and put wait a second. I also to put wait a second, but I'm putting it for seeing it for 1 second. So let's try. So it's if doing for only one time. So to read it, you take the command. So it's new. I'm putting for 5. It's fine enough. So for background, I'll start there how program runs. And you see that it's changing its character. Now I'll show you how to choose a backdrop. I don't think drops are coming. I will show that in the next video. We learn um how to make a catwalk with characters. Character 1, character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4. Can you see that? It's going ahead with its character walking. So so in this video we learn to make catwalk with this character. In the next video we'll show you how to choose a backdrop and a human figure with a cat. Suppose that a cat's pet and the human is walking with we're going for a walk to garden, beach, and animal things that I'll show you in the next video. So